Hello students, here is the question. The total number of 3 cross 3 matrices A having entries from the set 0, 1, 2, 3 such that the sum of all the diagonal entries of AA transpose is 9 is equal to. So here we need the sum of diagonal entries of AA transpose, that is the trace of AA transpose, to be equal to 9, and the terms in A should only be from 1, 2, 3, 1 from 0, 1, 2, 3 only. So if we look over here, we take a general matrix A, we take its transpose, we multiply them using the matrix rule, and we get the trace of the matrix as the sum of the diagonal element, which is given to us as 9. Now we look, these are 9 squares, and if we keep, now we are choosing numbers over here, so look at the possible combinations carefully. Here we have 9 squares and the total is 9, so if we put 1 on each square, 1 on each number that is over here, we can be able to satisfy the equality. And so there is only one way we can have this, that is the matrix having all the terms to have the number 1 in them. And if we look over here, 1 3, so if we put any one number to be equal to 3, its square will be equal to 9, and the rest if we put to be 0, the 0 won't even matter, so the equality is satisfied. So what we count over here is the 9 factorial is the total number of ways we are going to fill these numbers, and upon what we do is we divide them by the number of ways we can arrange these zeros in these numbers. So there are only 8 factorial ways on how we can arrange zeros over here, and that comes out to be 9. That is the arrangement that 1 3 and rest 0 combination can be put in this place or there are only 9 ways possible. And if you look at the third and the fourth one over here, you will find it similar combination, that two twos. Now two of these numbers are 2, so that means their square becomes 4, and 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Now there is only one needed in this, so we add 1 over here, that makes it 9, and the rest are 0. So here whatever number that we choose to be a singular number, that is 1 3 1 1, over here is 1 2, we don't count the number of arrangement that it can have, we only count the number of arrangement that the other numbers will take. May it be the same number, but we only count the bulk number. In this case, the bulk number in the second case was 0, the bulk number in the first case was 1, the bulk number in the third case is 2, because there are two 2's, and the rest 0, that is 2 plus 1 3, there are 3 numbers, that is 3 places used up, and the rest have 6 places, so we use 6 factorial to denote that, and 2 factorial to denote two 2's. Similarly, rest, that is over here, so 9 minus 5 minus 1, that is 3, so we use 3 over here, and we put 1, we have 1 over here, so we put 1 5 factorial over here, so we get the number of ways for the fourth method, and we get a total. Once we add them up, we get the total as 766. So these are the number of matrices that satisfy the condition provided to us. Thank you.